Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of the Black+Decker. This is the Alligator wood or tree cutting gizmo. I saw this on a website tooled up and I thought it was a decent price compared to all the prices I had seen on the internet, including Amazon. And this was the cheapest. It's the wireless version, the one with the battery. So let's get into it. This round this way so you can see it. Boom. That's basically how it comes. I don't think there's anything at the bottom, but we'll have a look at that in a second. Paperwork, the device here. Okay, I think that's basically, so this is just cardboard. I'll put this aside for now. Just check what's in this box here. It seems to be empty. There's cartons there, but nothing in here. Just make sure. Yeah, so that's just cardboard. It's empty now. For an empty. I mean, there's a lot of space in there. But yeah, that's what it looks like on this side. And on that side as well. So I'll just chuck this away for now. Yeah, so in this box we have this is the one battery pack version. So this shows the year it was manufactured. 18 volts, 2.0 amps battery, so that's a pretty decent sized battery. This is the power cable. So I'm guessing this is what charges it, so that probably just slides in like that. Fantastic. So I'll have to give that a charge overnight. And this is the device. It's not very heavy. You literally have to hold these two sides. There's something here stopping it from opening, which I will chop off right now. Hopefully this knife is strong enough. Yeah, I might have to get a stronger knife. So this is just what I use for unboxing. Oh yes, it's chopped it up. Perfect. And there's a little screw here to open. And there's some instruction, health and safety there. And this is basically it. So it's not the biggest sort of diameter. I thought it was a lot bigger. But yeah, we'll see what we can do with this. Okay, interesting. That's the lock there. And in here you get, let's open this up. Okay, there's an empty nylon bag, strange. Instruction manual. You get a tool. Not so sure what this is meant to be used for. An empty bottle, so that's probably, no, I think this tool was actually in here. So we chuck all these away for now. And yes, this is basically everything. The actual tool, instruction manual, a bottle, a screw, the adapter, and a battery. Pretty interesting. And that's everything. So yes, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or any thoughts on what this is about. I will be giving it a try tomorrow, so looking forward to it. And yeah, here we go. Thank you all. Goodbye.